The Google Pixel Watch 4, released on August 20th, 2025, is Google's most advanced smartwatch yet. It comes in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm, both with brighter AMOLED displays, making them easier to see outdoors. The design is thinner and lighter, with titanium and stainless steel options for extra durability. Inside, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 chip, making it faster and more power efficient. The battery lasts up to 36 hours on a single charge, and it supports fast charging. On the software side, it runs Wear OS 5, with new AI features like real-time health insights, fitness coaching, and smarter notifications. For health tracking, it includes an improved heart rate sensor, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, and new AI-powered stress management tools. It also supports Google Wallet, Maps, and offline music from YouTube Music. The Pixel Watch 4 starts at $349 for Wi-Fi and $399 for LTE models, making it a great upgrade for anyone who wants a premium smartwatch with deep Google integration. That's everything you need to know about the Google Pixel Watch 4. What do you think? Is this the smartwatch of the year? Or does Apple and Samsung still have the edge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.